Here are two trading indicators that will 100% make you a better trader. I'm going to show you both indicators and then show you a strategy that pairs both of them together to make you big money. So the first indicator we're going to talk about is VWAP, also known as volume weighted average price. So when you first add it, it's going to look like this, but we're going to actually change the way it looks so that we can make it easier to digest. So head over to your VWAP settings, turn off upper band 1, upper band 2, and the bands fill. Now you should only have this blue line here. So this VWAP line indicates the average price, but it also includes the amount of volume that the stock is moving with. So because of this, the price of the stock typically tends to stay around VWAP no matter how much volume is moving. So if the stock bounces really far below VWAP, chances are we're going to reverse back so that we can rubber band back to VWAP. The second indicator we're going to add is RSI, or Relative Strength Index. So quickly put, on the RSI, if the purple line is below this purple zone here, it means that it's oversold, which means there are too many people selling. And if the purple line is above the purple zone, that means that there's too many people buying, and the price is most likely going to reverse in the opposite direction. So if you notice, every time we're oversold on the RSI, we're actually far away from VWAP as well, which means that we're going to end up rubber banding back to VWAP at some point in time. Follow me for more day trading tips.